Hello everyone. We are back for our Same Sex Wednesday event for December, and this month's items come from Lori, whose channel name is Paint Girly. And if I'm right, this bag is not one of them. I did peek at these ahead of time. Makes it a little bit easier when I get ready to start. Plus, there was this cute little note in here about exactly what was going to be in this package. And she says, "Let the adventure begin. Woot! Hugs, Lori." Well, but then she says at the bottom, "I switched gears when I saw I had December. Hope no one minds that my items are heavy on the red and green." But so I was going through here. There's supposed to be butterfly wings and, and I'm like, okay, I don't see any of those things. Did this get mixed up with something? Anyways, it was funny. It gave me a giggle. But this is our December Same Sex Wednesday, and if you're not familiar with the Same Sex Wednesday project, down below is a link to the next video in the hop. This is a video hop, and we hop around. There are 6 artists, and we sent each other the same 6 items and kept us package for ourselves. And each month on Wednesday at 5 p.m. on the 3rd Wednesday, we all put up a video that shows what we have done with those 6 items. Now we have to use 3. We are allowed to add items from our stash, and most of us try to use the 6. It just seems to work out that way. It's been a lot of fun doing this, and I hope you will enjoy it. It's sometimes very, very challenging, and sometimes, it takes a while. Anyways, today I'm going to get busy and work, but don't forget that when you've finished watching my video, down below, click the top link. It'll take you to the next video, and as you move around through the videos, keep clicking on the top link and you will see all 6. And I'll be back at the end and we'll talk about what I've done. Well, I'm going to tell you what, guys. I wasn't sure where this was going. I really like how it turned out, but it took a bit. I had originally intended, my thought was to use this like a stencil. Well, it might have worked with paint or a spray or something like that, but I didn't grab one of those. So the ink didn't work. So I turned it upside down and I actually used it like a stamp. It took enough ink and let it come back off. I really like what happened. The white page was just too stark white. It had to have something to knock that white back a little bit. I knew right away the napkin needed to be part of the background. And the little Scotty Dog card, I needed to make it do something or say something. So now it just broke my heart cutting off all that beautiful coffee dyed paper. That coffee dyed paper was just yummy. But it didn't fit on the card as a whole. So I had to sort of cut it off. I needed to make the stocking hold some things. So we used a little piece of the ribbon and a little bit more of the burlap. He doesn't look very angelic, and he also doesn't look like he believes, and then he does at the same time. He's got this really pretty little smile. So I really kind of like how it came out. I decided to use the tiny pieces of coffee dyed paper to write on, and I did pull out a gold Signo Uniball and add a little bit of gold touches to this. I don't think I want to add any more gold to it, just because I don't want to overpower it with the gold. So I think I'm very happy with how it turned out. Anyways, there will be a link in the description box below to the first video in the hop. And if you everybody's description box, if you check their description box and click the top link, you will eventually make it yourself back around here to see me. And that way you'll know you've seen all 6 videos. I really hope you're enjoying this round 3 of Same 6 Wednesday. We have really, really enjoyed this project. I love it. I just absolutely love it. Makes you think when you have other people's stuff. Anyways, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.